Finally, we get to if. So we talked about loops in the last one. The idea behind an if statement is kind of easiest, I find, to explain once you already understand loops. So we've just talked about this loop here. So we're going to loop over the 3 pets, right? And we're going to try the pets one by one. Check over here if P is equal to a cat. Then create a message, and we're going to say that P is the best, whatever P happens to be. And we'll just loop through this vector every single time. So we're going to go through bat, cat, and dog. When it does that, we go through bat, so it goes, nope, P is not equal to cat because it's a bat, so we skip that bit. Then we set P to be a cat, because that's the second element of pet, and go, oh, P does equal to cat, create the message, go back up to the top. Okay, now P gets set to dog. Is P equal to cat? No, it's not, so we don't create a message, and then we get to the end of the loop. So when I run all of this and then tell it to print message, let's just do this in my terminal or my console, a cat is the best. It's gone through all 3 of the pets, but it only created the message when it got to cat. And that's the key thing behind an if statement. So you get that as the result. Where it's more fun, or most fun, is when you pair it with an else statement. So if I've got in my code here, if P is equal to a cat, this is do this thing here if P is equal to cat. Else, meaning under any other condition, if P is not a cat, create this. And notice, this is important, the print statement is here, it is inside the loop. So it's going to print something for every single value of P. So it's going to iterate over this vector, bat, cat, dog, and it'll print a message for each of them. But because we've got this if-else construction in the middle, like in there, we can customize the message. So if it's a cat, we're going to get one kind of message. If it's not a cat, we're going to get a different kind. So we do this, I cut and paste, and it goes, a bat is okay, a cat is the best, a dog is okay. And that's it. And that is everything I wanted you to take from that. Hopefully as brief as I possibly could do it. The end.